You see, gopis are so great because their mind is such. One gopi, she was sitting quietly and she was continuously making faces, as though something is troubling her. So Naradji came there saying, "What happened to you?" He's saying, "I'm trying very hard." Naradji thought she is trying very hard to, meditate. So Naradji said, "You must invoke devotion in your heart and visualize the form of the Lord. It's such a beautiful form. And then with devotion, chant the name of the Lord. And in this way, when your mind, when your speech, and when your body is become still, all these will get aligned. Then you will become one." That Gopi is saying to Naradji, "Oh Naradji, I am not, struggling for that. I am struggling that how to get the mind out of this Krishna, that Krishna has occupied my mind so much that I am not able to think anything else. He is fully occupying my mind. Every time I do anything, it is only Krishna, 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 Krishna in my mind. So, you tell me how to get this Krishna out of my mind." That's a simple, nice Leela. You see that gopis, their state is that they are reveling in the name of Bhagwan. They are reveling in the thought of Bhagwan. Every single thing for them is only Bhagwan. So there's a great bhakta of Krishna Bhagwan called Kulashekar Alvar. You see, there are 12 great devotees in South India. This tradition is there of 12 great devotees of Bhagwan. They are called Alvars. So Kulashekar Alvar is one of them. So he says very beautifully in his composition called Mukundamala, Krishnatwadiya pada pankaja panjarantaha adyaiva me vishatu manasa rajahamsaha prana prayana samaye kaphavata pittaihi kantavarodhana vidhau Smaranam kutaste. Very beautiful shloka it is. Where he says that, "O Krishna, Krishna's tvadiya pada pankaja panjarante." In the lotus feet of in the prison house of the lotus feet of yours. Krishna's tvadiya pada pankaja panjarante. Adyaiva me vishatu. Right now itself, while I am living in this moment now, what should happen? Adyaiva me vishatu. The royal swan of my mind. Adyaiva me vishatu manasa rajahamsaha. The royal swan of my mind should get into the prison of your lotus feet. Why? Because prana prayana samaye, when the body is going to drop, kapha, vata, pittaihi, all the three doshas are going to choke me. Kantavarodhana vidhau. At that time, how will I remember you? It is very difficult to remember you. And this body 100% is going to drop. So, oh Bhagwan, you please ensure that my mind abides in you right now while I am living, without a moment being wasted. Because life which is really worth living is that life where it is Krishnamay, where we see Bhagwan's glory everywhere, that all this is appearance of Bhagwan alone. And whatever is happening, he is the Karta, he is the Dharta, he is the Harta.